Hello and welcome to the Interesting Facts Part 2. William Shakespeare. Let's talk about him. We all know that he's the famous English writer, poet, and an actor. But what if I tell you that William Shakespeare invented around 1700 English common words? For example, addiction, champion, worthless, and so many of them. Students, every year, around 1,000 new words are added to the English dictionary. Apart from that, there is a pangram, a sentence that makes use of all the English alphabet at once, and that is a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Well, yes, that is a pangram that makes use of all the English alphabets. And now we have landed on to the last interesting facts about English, and that is there are some words that do not have a singular form, like glasses, jeans, scissors, and a lot of them. You can think about it and let me know. So students, I will see you in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम श्योर आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा। तो इसी तरह से इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से अगर आप सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स, थ्योरीज, डिफरेंट चैप्टर समझना चाहते हैं तो डाउनलोड करिए PuStack ऐप, क्योंकि इस ऐप पर आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा। सैम्पल पेपर्स हो, टिप वीडियोस हो, डिफरेंट लेक्चर्स, बैक एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशंस, बहुत कुछ। सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? डाउनलोड PuStack ऐप।